Alright, so I got this Phantom 3 Pro, and I got this weird buzzing sound coming from the gimbal, and I thought maybe one of the motors was shot. And the other sound you hear is the interference with the speaker while I'm recording. So it's nothing wrong with the Phantom, but it's just this grinding, rattling sound, and it's also vibrating the camera as well. I did some more research and I found out that it's this screw right here that's getting loose on some Phantoms, even if they're new, because they don't have thread locks on there. So it's always good to check your own, even if it's not making any noises. And you want to make sure the gimbal arm is not scraping on the top, on that cover there on top. So should be all good now. We'll turn it on and see if it's making any weird noises. Nope, it's all good now. No grinding, no rattling. Camera is steady. So check your little screw and make sure everything's good. Tighten it, maybe put some thread lock on there, and you'll be good to go.